You will never speak English confidently. You will never feel fluent until you apply this one step that changed everything for me. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how thinking in English for 30 days transformed my life, my confidence, and my speaking ability, and how it can do the same for you. And if you stay until the end, I'll give you the one technique that instantly switches your brain into English mode, a technique most learners never hear about. What if the only thing stopping you is not your grammar, not your vocabulary, but the language you think in? Let's begin. Before I started thinking in English, my life looked like this. I understood English, but froze when speaking. I translated every sentence from my native language. Conversations felt slow, awkward, and embarrassing. I avoided speaking because I feared people would judge me. And the worst part? I had studied English for years, with zero confidence. Sound familiar? Tell me in the comments. Do you also translate in your head before speaking? Here's the truth. You can study English for 5 years. But if your brain still thinks in another language, you stay stuck. So I made a decision, a difficult one, that changed everything. Day 1 felt impossible. I tried to think in English, but my mind kept switching back. Fear kicked in. Doubt kicked in. My brain resisted because it wasn't comfortable, but growth only happens outside comfort. Step 1, the English-only mindset. Rule for the next 30 days, I forced myself. Everything I see, everything I do, I describe it in English. If I saw a chair, that's a chair. If I was hungry, I'm hungry. Simple, but powerful. Step 2, micro thoughts in English. I started replacing small thoughts. Water. Phone. Let's go. Stop. Focus. These micro thoughts rewired my brain. Step 3, identity trigger. Every morning I said, I am someone who thinks in English. Step 4, internal questions in English. Instead of asking myself, what should I do next? I asked, what should I do next? In English. Step 5. By day 5, something strange happened. My brain started automatically producing English words, but fear still whispered, you will make mistakes. You will sound stupid. You're not fluent. Have you ever felt that fear? But something big was about to happen. Something I didn't expect, and it changed my fluency forever. Around day 8, the real transformation began. Step 6, the English narration technique. I narrated actions in real time. I am opening the door. I am cooking pasta. I am cleaning my room. This built natural fluency. Step 7, thinking in English during stress. Whenever I felt stressed, I forced my thoughts in English. This built emotional fluency, the rare kind. Step 8, thinking in English before sleep. The last 5 minutes of your day control your subconscious. So I ended each night with English thoughts. Step 9, when I felt bored, tired, angry, motivated, I labeled the emotion in English. Step 10, the what-if practice. What if I moved to New York? What if I got my dream job? What if I became fluent? This unlocked creativity in English. Step 11, the one-verb rule. I spoke to myself using only one verb per minute. Example, go. Go to work, go for goals, go for better English, go for confidence. This trained sentence building. Step 12, shadow thinking. Not shadow speaking, shadow thinking. Whenever I watched a video, I silently repeated the thoughts behind the sentences. Step 13, stop translating. I made a rule, no translating, ever. My brain began forming English sentences from nothing. Step 14, the 5-second English switch. Whenever my brain switched languages, I said, English now. 5 seconds. Reset. But the biggest breakthrough, the moment that truly changed my confidence, didn't happen until day 21. Everything changed on day 21. I woke up, and my first thought was in English, not forced, not intentional, completely natural. Step 15. The automatic thinking zone. I reached the zone where English didn't feel foreign anymore. Minute 24, step 16. The hard emotion shift. I realized I could think about problems, real emotional problems, in English. And I didn't need translation. This was deep fluency. Step 17. The future self-visualization. I imagined my future self speaking confidently in English. My thoughts aligned with that identity. Step 18. Silence training. When I was silent, my thoughts whispered in English. That's when I knew I had changed. Step 19. The two-question loop. Every morning I asked, what do I want today? How will I get it? Both questions in English. My day became more productive. Step 20. The transformation by day. 30. I didn't just think in English, I lived in English. Confident, clear, fearless. My confidence, my personality, my direction in life, my belief in myself. And it can change yours too. But you must start today. So let me ask you, are you ready to change your life in the next 30 days? If yes, comment 30 days below.